How to open file location on Windows 11. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can open a file location on Windows 11. To do so, you will need to simply follow these steps. First option is to use the search bar. Click on the search bar at the bottom right corner of your screen and there type in the name of your file. Once after typing the name, you will need to simply right click on it and then a menu will appear. From here you can click on this open file location and then you will be presented with the file location of that particular file. Another method is to do so is using the file explorer. Simply press Windows plus E key from your keyboard and then you will be able to see your file explorer. Now here click on the search bar at the top right and there type in the name of file you would like to view. Once after entering the name for your file, you will be able to see the search results here. From here, find the one and then right click on it. After that, a menu will appear. From here, you will need to choose Open File Location option. Click on it and then you will be presented with the file location here. So by following these steps, you should be able to open file location on Windows 11. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.